So I'm going to do my hand massage, and as you know that all your acupressure points are in your hand, so all you need to do is just massage your hand and your feet to heal your body. So basically heal your body through massaging the palm of your hands and your feet. So I'm just going to show you the hands and you do the feet yourself. Just massage every side, every corner. Give pressure. These are all special acupressure points. In the back is the back organs in your body, and the front is the front organs in your body. So do this daily 10 minutes in the morning and in the evening. So give everywhere pressure, and this definitely gives you good health. The whole purpose of wearing jewelry is to put pressure on your acupressure points, and that keeps us good. For example, when we wear bangles, that puts pressure over here, and that keeps our blood pressure checked. So we have good blood pressure if we wear a lot of bangles, because that will give constant pressure over here, and this area controls your blood pressure. So over here is for the thyroid gland, over here for digestion. So you press over here, that also your pancreas, over here for your kidney, over here for your heart, your liver, gallbladder, thyroid, kidney, heart. So you keep pressure over here for your hands and legs. Just 5 to 10 minutes self-massaging your hand will keep your organs good. So once we massage that 5 to 10 minutes, then we're going to do this clapping. So I'm going to do clapping exercise. So whole therapy or morning routine to keep yourself good will take about 10 minutes. So this is how you're going to clap. there you have it. First your hand massage, and then following that 10 minutes of clapping exercise, and that will keep all your organs good and working condition. Now this needs to be persistent and daily, 10 minutes in the morning and 10 minutes before going to bed. Now initially your hands will feel a little red and little paining, but slowly you get used to it, because initially there are a lot of blood coming to the surface, and it's providing a lot of blood supply to your organs and to your hand. So thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share the video, and I will see you with many more videos.